Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ayrana Baita from class 9B. I want to tell you how to use a washing machine.
The first step is put the dirty clothes into the washing machine. Then fill it full of water and put some detergent. And then clean. After washing, the clothes are then rinsed until they are completely clean. The third step, open the dryer lid. Then take the clean clothes and put them in the dryer and close it again. Then press the dryer button and wait until the washing machine stops vibrating.
The last step is to open the dryer lid. Take a hanger and hang them in a great place. And wait until the clothes are dry.